Steve Linfield, Bobo, who just fell down, and Denim Stone hanging out up here at the Poudre River. Check it out, man. Pretty cool spot here. Listen to the sound, it's just wonderful. Nice giant moss rocks right here. A really cool spot. Great place to hang out on a Sunday afternoon. Have a little sip of 90 shilling. Oh yeah, gotta love 90. And just relaxing, enjoying the beautiful scenery and the wonderful, wonderful sounds of nature. Check it out, man. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, everybody. It's a beautiful April Sunday afternoon, hanging out here at the Poudre River, Fort Collins, Colorado. And woohoo, everybody, woohoo! Steve Linfield, little Bobo. Hey, Bobo, how's it going, buddy? Here, Bobo. And Denim Stone saying, take it easy, everybody. Woohoo! Later, dudes. Later, man.